Hey guys, John Trousdale here at SEMA. We're in the ARB booth where we've got the LINX system to talk about. I'm here with my friend Daniel Bongard. Now this new LINX interface is a new way to approach and to control a lot of the hardware you guys already make.
Yeah, correct. We've been doing air compressors and air lockers for the off-road industry for years now. We're now getting quite heavily into off-road lighting as well. And with a lot of accessories comes a lot of dash clutter and a lot of need for extra controls, monitors and such. And so we set out to bring it all together within one central point of interface, and that's what led us to LINX. It's a touch screen, but the touch screen is actually just the interface for the user, and it's communicating with an ECU that we keep kind of off-site somewhere ugly, like under the dash or under the seat, so you can do all your wiring somewhere where nobody's going to see and where it's easy to get to. And then that way it's only a small touchpad that's available to the user for doing all the viewing and control that they need to do while driving.
So if you've got a few things you're controlling with relays or switches, now you've got one interface instead of a whole bunch of switches up on the dashboard.
Yeah, that's right. You're only reaching to one location, which is minimally invasive for the driver. It's not going to distract you as much. And from one position with a touchscreen, we can control a whole heck of a lot of things that, I mean, virtually more than you could ever do on one solid dashboard with switches.
So if I order one of these guys, tell me real quick what comes in the kit. What's in the box?
What you get in the kit is the LINX display, a gimbal mount to dash mount that display. It's magnetically mounted, so you can very easily reattach it to its mount. You get the charging cable, you get the ECU computer, and you get the harnesses necessary to wire that ECU into the car.
Now you guys make a whole lot of stuff, and this ties into most of it, so let's talk capabilities. I want to know, customizing and programming this, what can it actually do?
Right now what it can do is 7 different modules that we've launched with. Those 7 modules are a part of 10 modules that were what we started developing. There's 25 modules on the list. As we go, we will be pushing updates to LINX. LINX updates itself over the internet, just like a mobile phone or a tablet or a computer does. And from that display, from the LINX interface, we can push that update right across and completely reflash our computer under the dash. So LINX will grow and grow once we start it.
So no more bringing the laptop out into the garage, you just anywhere with Wi-Fi?
No laptop required, no computer engineering degree.
Oh, that's a breath of fresh air for sure. Just Wi-Fi is all you need, and it does it on its own through the cloud.
Absolutely, John.
So give me some examples. What can I control with my LINX system?
Well, the modules we've got are simply your air locker, front and rear. We've got compressor control, which we upgraded additionally with pressure control so that you can dial in a tire pressure you want to achieve, and it'll inflate or deflate to meet that. We've got our switchboard module, which can control 6 individual accessories, anything that can be controlled by a switch or a relay. We've got our air suspension control module, which can individually control up to 6 airbag air spring type air suspensions.
So Daniel, you were telling me about protecting your battery and setting up some like automatic if this then that rules using the LINX system. Tell me more about how that works.
Well, LINX truly ties your accessories in with the car itself, so we know what voltage your battery is running at. We know if your lights of the car headlights are on or off. We know if the key is in the ACC position. So we can automate these accessories to do what you want. Come on when you put the car in reverse or put your high beams on. We can say that an individual battery, up to 3 different batteries, we can set a low voltage limit for it and take that accessory off if it hits that limit. We can also offer you manual overrideability on all that stuff, so it's not like a hardwired limit either. So basically it gives the user the sort of control you've always hoped for on those accessories.
That sounds good. A touch screen for all of us control freaks out there that want to know exactly what each tire is at.
And it's pretty too.
That helps too. Daniel, where can people go online to get more information about the LINX system?
You can find LINX online at whatislinx.com. That's LINX with an X.
LINX with an X, whatislinx.com. We'll definitely check that out. Thanks for having us into the ARB booth here at SEMA, and stay tuned because there's a lot more coming your way.